cell,
This is more molecular, where we know that molecule is sitting there, and then we can make it glow.
and you know the molecule is sitting there because
Of the way CRISPR works. That's why that patent is like, it's like when we learned how to amplify DNA at Revolutionized Biology, CRISPR is exactly the same thing. It's Nobel Prizes either this year, next year, the year after. It's so we jumped on that right away. We knew what everybody was trying to do was this editing thing, but we weren't really interested in trying to re-engineer a genome. We thought, wow, this is a cool drone. Let's put packages on it. So now, not only can we so instead of a cookbook, and if we think of the genome, you have a gene that's overactive in cancer. We can now just send a drone that goes and shuts it off. But so in theory, it sounds a lot better. What target, where that target is. It's sort of like when we went to war with Afghanistan. There was lots of mountains, lots of caves, and we just kind of, carpeted the whole thing. That's kind of the strategy we're using, is because we have multiple drones, we can kind of send them to different places. And the coolest accident we found is that chromosomes like to kiss. So when we sent drones to different chromosomes, we had these chromosomes marked, and we could see them moving around in living cells. And we've always thought of chromosomes in the nucleus as in these compartments, like their chromosome 22 is not touching X. But if you think about it, how would that? It's not like the heart, the liver, the kidney. It's not like the cells got these organs. And so what we found is they actually just wiggle and come and touch each other. And in a couple cases, those are important regulatory things. We just wrote a review on it. It's very controversial because there's other groups that write papers that say this phenomena cannot exist. But the technology they're using, how they say you are what you eat, there's a certain technology that everybody is doing that same technology over and over and over again, but it has its limitations. It can't see these things, whereas our drones can, because they're in a living cell sitting there. And so it's kind of like if you put a drone over BioFrontiers, in the summer you don't see as much activity, but in the, from September to what, you'd be like, what is that change in activity? Why did those chromosomes come and kiss each other? And why do they go apart in the summer? So that to some people is really cool. To us it was an accident. It's just how DNA has other organizational properties in the nucleus.